How to plan an eco-friendly trip. Planning an eco-friendly trip means making choices that minimize environmental impact while enjoying a great travel experience. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you. 1. Choose sustainable destinations. Look for places that promote ecotourism and have sustainability initiatives. Consider national parks, eco-lodges, or places with conservation programs. Avoid overcrowded tourist spots that suffer from over-tourism. 2. Travel responsibly. Opt for direct flights. Fewer takeoffs and landings reduce carbon emissions. Choose trains or buses. They have a lower carbon footprint than planes. Use public transportation, walk, or rent bicycles. This reduces emissions and lets you explore more authentically. 3. Stay in eco-friendly accommodations. Look for hotels with green certifications, LED, Green Key, EarthCheck, etc. By stay in locally owned guest houses or eco-lodges. By reduce waste by reusing towels and turning off lights and AC when unnecessary. 4. Pack light and sustainable. By the heavier the plane, the more fuel it burns. Pack only what you need. By bring reusable items like water bottles, shopping bags, cutlery, and metal straws. Use reef-safe sunscreen and biodegradable toiletries. 5. Support local and ethical businesses. Eat at local restaurants instead of big chains to support the economy. Buy handmade souvenirs instead of mass-produced ones. Respect wildlife and avoid unethical animal attractions. 6. Minimize waste and energy.
Avoid single-use plastics by bringing your reusable containers. Dispose of waste properly and recycle when possible. Conserve energy by unplugging electronics and using minimal water. 7. Be mindful of activities. Choose eco-conscious tours that respect nature and local cultures. Participate in conservation projects or responsible wildlife tourism. Stick to marked trails to avoid disturbing natural habitats. Would you like to help plan a specific eco-friendly trip?